is a problem of Riemann integration, and it is from a popular book of real analysis. Okay, and we have to find in this problem, find f dash, where f is given by this. Two problem is given here. Okay, I here solve only one, and you must try similar way the second problem. Okay, here we use the Leibniz rule of differentiation under the sign of integration. This is very simple rule. The rule is integration ux to vx ft dt, and we have to differentiate this, and the rule is f of vx. Here we put vx, that is the upper range of the integration, in place of t, and the derivative of upper range, that is dv by dx, minus we put in place of t the lower range ux and the differentiation of lower range. This is du dx. Okay, this is the rule, and this is Leibniz rule. Now for the first problem, here we see that f dash x using this formula. Okay, we first put the upper range e to the power x in place of t. So this is 1 plus e to the power x whole square into d dx of e to the power x, right? Because this is v of x here, minus root under 1 plus x square, because the lower range is x, here ux, so we put in place of t x, okay, into d dx of x, and this is given by 1 plus e to the power 2x into e to the power x, we write in the left, because derivative of e to the power x, minus derivative of x is 1, so this is 1 plus x square, and this is the result. Okay, very simple problem, and you must try the second one by using this formula or by similar manner I done here. Okay, thank you.